God is not asking you to seek anything. God just wants us to seek the kingdom of heaven, to seek His kingdom, to seek Him. And you know what? Let me just emphasize this one, because a lot of us Christians tend to say this thing, and yet it is so hard for us to apply it in our life, and it is so hard for us to believe it. If you have God in your life, you have everything. Let me repeat. If you have God in your life, you have everything. It means you do not need to seek anything anymore, because if your heart is for God, if your life is for God, then you will find these things. Seek first the kingdom of God, and all shall be added unto you. And those who held on to their life will lose it, and those who let go of their life for the sake of Jesus Christ will find it. And sometimes we tend to know scriptures, but we tend to not apply scriptures in our life. We have to not just read the word. We have to be doers of the word. We don't have to be just readers of the word or listeners of the word. We have to apply it in our life and believe that it is the truth. Believe that it is the cycle of life. Because you know what? In this pattern of this world, in this system of this world, a lot of us will be pressured financially, emotionally, mentally, romantically, or a lot of things can pressure you in this world. But you know what God is asking you to do? Act like His sheep. Yes, act like a sheep to Him. And you know what? Sheep does not go around and seek for their foods and ask God if this grass edible, if is this grass allowed for me, or is this the river that I must drink with. They don't. Sheep does not lead shepherd. Shepherd lead the sheep. Okay, so what I mean by this is, you don't go and make a plan out of your life and then ask God to bless that plan that you have made. No, God values our free will, but all He is asking is for you to act like His sheep. Chill out. Depend on Him. Because God does not actually want you to worry. Di ba nga sinasabi ni Lord what? Don't worry. Don't be anxious all the days of your life. Because He will lead you. He will care for you. He will be the one that is gonna be after your life, that is gonna be taking care of your life. So you don't have to worry everything. And you know what? This morning, I just synced it in my mind that I don't need anything. Like, yes, you don't